What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike, and yeah, it's been long. I'm back now. So today we are going to try to make something different, something that you've never made on this channel. We're going to make something like a Lil Baby type beat, a triplet type beat. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so I have all the sounds that I want to use right here. I have Nexus here. I've gone to piano, and then I've chosen this say arena ambience. Alright, so let's get into piano roll. Let's start making the progression now. So we're going to make a simple progression, just a simple. Alright, just like that. That would be like our root note. So let's do this. Let's copy everything and then control, then down arrow, octave down. Alright, since now we have the root note, now let's start making the melody. Alright, so far so good, sounds good. Let's go with it. Alright, so here let's just copy this and then we change. Just put it here. This sounds good. So let's cut. Let's try to cut. Alright, so I think the progression is fine. Let's listen to it. Yeah, so it sounds good. So what we're going to do is to hit Control A to highlight everything, and then hit Alt R, randomize the velocity as usual. Okay, let's try to see which one sounds good. Yeah, this one sounds good. Alright, so now everything sounds good. Let's proceed now. Let's open Omnisphere here, and then I've chosen this orchestral violins with a spring verb, something like that. So it sounds like this. Alright, so on this one we are going to change the time signature to 3 beats, because this is the triplet type beat. Alright, so this sounds good. So let's copy this, and then let's just copy this again. Alright, so this is what we got. So on this second part here, we're going to copy this and then let's drag them here and then put them octave up. So control up arrow. Sounds like this now. Alright, so the melody and the progression, everything sounds good. Now let's start making drums. Alright, so here's how far I've gone. I've added a clap and the hi-hat. It's really coming, eh? Alright, so the drums are coming good. Now let's add the 808. Alright, so this sounds good. Let's listen to it once more. Alright, now let's put the kick. So the kick will just follow the 808 to make it easier. So what we're going to do is to copy the 808, Control C, and then let's put it on the kick, and then Control V to paste, and then let's get into piano roll and let's make sure that everything is in C. Alright, I think now the beat sounds good. There's just some few things that I have to add, so let's listen to it. Alright, so this is how we're going to start. I'm going to start with the piano first. And here I'm going to remove everything. Just leave the and then here I'm going to remove the key. Alright, so I think the beat is nice. Let me just arrange it and then maybe I'll add some few sounds, then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done arranging it. I've added so let me show you what I've added. I've added this from Nexus using the same piano sound. I've added this. Gives it more energy. So now let's listen to the whole beat. So here's the intro, and then I brought the orchestral here, the hi-hat and the clap. Straight into this one now. So now this is the chorus. I can definitely hear Lil Baby on this one. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments who hear this one. So now this is just two now. Alright, so that's the beat. So yeah, let me know if you feel this type of beats. Let me know if you feel this type of videos. Let me know if I should do more of triplet type beats, some Lil Baby type beats. Leave the comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Peace out, till next time.